Hello, it's Will from Pickup Media, and today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on how to capture a loose diamond. Over here we have a 3-carat E-color VS1 triple excellent strong blue fluorescence GIA certified stone. Today we're going to be doing a 360 video on this stone. It's quite a big stone and quite a lovely one, so let's get straight to it. Simply what we need to do is place the stone into the center of the turntable of Gem Lightbox. Just going to make sure it's absolutely into the center. As you can see, it's quite a sizable stone. Next, I'll put my reflector onto the Gem Lightbox. Now, I'll open up my Gem Lightbox app. It's connected via Bluetooth. Very simply, I'm going to zoom in until I get the stone right into the center. I'm going to tap on the stone to focus. On the right hand side, I have the brightness bar, so I'm going to press up or down. I'd say that looks about right, and I'm going to press record. Now just like that, we're recording a 360 video of this beautiful GIA certified diamond. This is a very useful video because a lot of our customers are telling us that people are usually asking them for the videos of a stone that is on the naked eye view. They have very good videos of zoomed in macro photography where they can see the inclusions and all the very fine detail and facets. But a lot of the customers prefer to actually see a naked eye view, which is at this kind of zoom.